Hello everyone, my name is Shabik Shankar Mitra, and today I am going to demonstrate you about a new framework that I have developed. Its name is Simple Handy and Adjustable Map Reading Navigation Application, aka Shampa. Actually my mother's name is Shampa and I dedicate this project to my mother, so I named it as her name. So let's get started. So actually it's a smart navigation application. You can see here. At first I have to type the website address of it, covidresponse.in. so it will get started. So at first it will ask you about your latest location, so I'll click allow and it will show my latest location and the marker on that location in the map. So this application is only available for Kolkata and Howrah. So what this application actually does is, the circles you are seeing here, these are the containment zones on Kolkata. You can zoom out it and see all the containment zones on Kolkata and Howrah. So what my application actually does is, if you want to go from one place to another place in this lockdown period for some emergency, I think, so you always don't know that which places are the containment zones and which places you have to avoid. Means that if you go through the containment zones by walking, that you have some risk of the corona infection or something like that. So this application is actually navigate you to a smart route, and it actually helps you to avoid the containment zones. So let's see some examples of it. So let's say, for example, from my location I want to go to a place. Let's say there is Baliganj police station. So if I choose the Baliganj police station, it will show me 3 routes from my source to my destination. So here you can see that one route is green and the other 2 routes are the red routes. So the reason behind it is that the green route is the safe route and the red routes are the unsafe routes. The reason behind it is that you can see that the red routes actually going through a containment zone. So actually these routes are not safe for you, because if you go through this route by walking, so you have some chance of the corona infection. So my application prefers you to take the green route, which doesn't go through any of the containment zones. Also you can get the detail of the route in the Google map. So to get the detail of the green route in the Google map, you have to click on the get detailed route on the Google map. So actually it will show you the shortest route on it, that is the route that is one of the red routes. So you will just have to select the green route that is showing in my application. So you'll get the detailed navigation of the route. So like this way, this application shows you which is a safe route for you in this lockdown period. So let's see some more examples. So let's say I want to go from my place to, let's say, Baghajatin Mode. So it will show you the route from my location to the Baghajatin Mode. One thing you see here, that none of the routes are going through any of the containment zones, but only one route is showing here, green route, and the 2 routes are showing red. The green routes are showing here is the shortest route. Means that in this period, if you want to go from one place to another, the shortest route is the more preferable for you. So for this reason, if you choose the green route, that it will be more safe for you. So let's see some more examples. Let's say I want to go from my place to Howrah railway station, new complex. So see here that none of the routes are green here. Means that none of the route is safe for me if I want to go from my place to Howrah railway station. You can see that all the routes are going through any of the containment zones. You can see that this route is going through this containment zone. You can also see that this route is going through this containment zone. So this application only shows you the walking routes here, means that if all the routes are red, means none of the routes are green, that means that it's not safe for you to go through that place by walking. You can drive to that place, and the risk of the infection if you drive through the containment zones is more or less than walking. So let's see some more examples here. So I can also change the source location here also. So let's say I choose that I want to go from Bek Bagan, Calcutta to where, to let's say Kali Ghat temple. So see here, it will show you one of the green routes here, and all the and the other two routes are going through one of the containment zones here, and the other two routes are red. You can also see like similarly the detailed route here in the Google Maps, and you can also choose which is the green route in your map, means which is the green route showing here. You can choose here, and you can see the detailed navigation here. You can use this application in your phone also. So to do it, at first you have to open any of the browser in your phone and type the address of the application, that is shampa.covidresponse.in. so it will open in your phone to show you your latest location and other containment zones. So let's say I want to go from my location to Victoria Memorial. So I just typed here Victoria Memorial. So I select Victoria Memorial here, and it will show the direction from my location to Victoria Memorial. You can see that one of the green routes are here, and the other red routes actually going through one of the containment zones. So these routes are not safe, and the green route is the safe. You can see the detailed direction of the green route in the Google Map. To do it, you have to just click the Get Detailed Route on Google Map, and it will open directly in the Google Map app in your phone, and it will automatically show you the direction from your source to your destination. It's time, so it will show direction from the source to the destination. One thing that the Google Map actually shows you the shortest route, but actually according to my application, the shortest route is not safe. So here you have to just select the green route showing here in the, just select this route here. I just select this route here, and then I can also get the detailed route, that how I can go safely from my location to Victoria Memorial. One thing I want to tell to be clear, that this application is only for the emergency purpose. Please do not go outside to use this application, and stay inside and stay safe. So I developed this application only for those people who actually have to go out for some emergency in this lockdown period. So thank you very much. I hope that this application helps you in your daily life, and also if you like this application, please share it as much as you can. You can also use my other works, that is I also developed one of the Corona chatbots, and I also developed a Corona dashboard here also. You can also see it in shobikshanga2013.github.io in this address. Here you can see the latest live Corona map of India. It will also show you total confirmed, total cured, and it will show you the different state graphs and the different percentage of recovery and death and different graphs here. So thank you very much. I hope that you'd like my work. If you like it, please share it, please.